Hi, this is Kat with Beadaholique, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make the vintage gal earrings. Now I'm using some really fun acetate, and these are lightweight pieces, and this is by Zola Elements. They're really fun and they have some really cool little designs in them. So each piece is going to actually be really unique, so you can just see, especially on this piece, which is why I wanted to bring this one out, you can see how it's got that marbling white look on it, and even from the front and the back each piece is really different. So these are really nice lightweight acetate pieces, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to kind of put together an earring that kind of has a vintage style but is also really nice and geometric. So I'm going to put together these here. Now these ones that I've gathered have 3 holes on that side, 3 holes on this side, and this is a little coin pendant. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to create an earring with a really fun sort of vintage style silhouette. And the only thing that we're going to need is just some jump rings and an earring post there. Now I'm using a post here today, not that these are heavy, but just to kind of give it that vintagey feel. So I'm going with this nice little hammered TierraCast. So very cool. All right, so all you really need is a couple of pairs of chain nose pliers, and those are going to help us with all of those jump rings. Okay, so let's go ahead, and I've actually sort of pre-opened some of my jump rings here. So you just give it a little gentle twist to open, and then you slip it on to one of the findings there. And these are really fun and cool to kind of mix and match. So it's really easy and really simple. So if you're looking for a really quick pair of summer lightweight earrings, this is definitely the way to go. So I'm going to take this one here and attach it over here. And I just love the gold with this sort of jade green. It's a very pretty white. Oops. Come back. There we go. Oops, making sure we're putting it on the right way. There we are. Okay. Again, nice good closure with our jump rings. I know I say that a lot, but you'd be surprised, especially in my early days of jewelry making, how much I didn't heed that warning and I lost a lot of pieces. So we always want to make sure that we have a nice good closure. Now this one's a little tricky. You kind of see I'm working it with my hands there. There we go, to get that together. Go ahead and close that up. All right. And then finally, we just need one more at the top, and this is where we're going to attach our earring hook. Now, before you do, you can take a look at each side of the earring to see which one you want facing front. But for this one, I'm just going to slip on my earring hook facing this way. There we go. A little bit more. Perfect. So that way I have this facing forward. So that's how easy it is. And you can just see with some of these other geometric shapes, like this one has a hole in the top here, so you can add a little connector at the top. This one you could actually hang if you wanted something a little different there at the bottom instead of a circle. You can go with a teardrop. So there's a lot of fun things to do. This one, it might be one of my favorite pieces. It has a nice little chandelier, so it's got those 5 holes at the bottom and that 1 hole at the top. So you can make some really beautiful chandelier earrings. So that's it. It's so easy to work with the Zola acetate. So these are the vintage gal earrings, and you can actually make these in several different colors of the acetate that we offer at Beadaholique.com. Hey, if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button below to get all the latest from Beadaholique.